friends is talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action.
Welcome back, it's your boy Red.
And Natalie, and this is Pardon Our Facts.
Pardon Our Facts. Definitely want to go ahead and check the link in the description for the coldest water bottle. Link below.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that. Facts.
So today, just welcome to the vlog. We're just going to be vlogging what we're doing today.
Like
right now, our first stop is IKEA.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to just do a quick IKEA run, see what's good over there, pick up a few things, and
let's get into the video.
From that. Facts. Stay tuned.
No, facts. Yep, we came for pillows. Literally, that was the purpose of the trip, is to come for pillows.
Alright, so we back. Went through IKEA.
We couldn't really talk because we're not trying to get copyrighted.
Yeah, it's copyrighted music.
Yeah, so we wasn't really trying to do that.
So
I noticed IKEA changed like everything.
Man, IKEA definitely changed. I was like, yo, where?
I mean, the last time we came here was before, like, you know, the whole quarantine stuff, but it changed completely. I feel like I didn't know where anything was. We were just walking around.
We definitely got some pillows, though.
That's what we went for, was pillows. But let me say, the pillows that we originally went for, keep in mind, this trip was basically for... You just hit me.
You'll be alright.
Anyways, So the pillows we came originally for, I think they discontinued them because they don't have them anymore.
Yeah.
And their selection of pillows was more, so hopefully these will be good because we're not trying to have pillows that go flat.
Facts.
We didn't find the batteries we were looking for.
We didn't
We find the light strip that we were looking for our closet.
Yeah,
So we technically came for pillows and like these little storage cubbies.
Yeah.
That folds out and you can put them in your drawers. But
Real
that's all we
simple
ended
stuff.
up got.
Honestly,
Like,
I think IKEA is not the wave anymore like it used to. Honestly.
they have so many places.
If y'all
now.
know some spots that good home decor, let us know. Cause IKEA is definitely not.
Decor?
Yeah, that's isn't that what they.
I don't know. Maybe.
Let us know where we could go and we'll pop out and we'll see what they got.
And you know what I noticed also?
Like the
They're-
container
they're-
store. When we
Yeah, I
went
was
to the
gonna
container
mention
store,
that.
that container store is better. Like the closet
We went
structures
to
and
the
stuff.
huge one in Jersey.
Right.
Oh, gee,
So
man.
like the container store had definitely better stuff for in-home stuff. Like the closet, like I want, like it was dope in there. IKEA.
Yeah, this one we were looking at the
hot-
closets, and I feel like when
hot
we
caca
used to
up in
come,
there. Facts. It
caca,
was hot caca.
it wasn't all that. But alright.
What? In the rain, about to get a new iPhone in Brooklyn, as you can see. Just pulled up Starbucks on Junction to, get something light. Feel me? Something light.
Doing some errands right now. We just went to Starbucks. We went to FedEx. Because you already know why we went to FedEx.
Bars.
Yo.
Went to FedEx and they lost my first package horribly. So I pulled up. I'm like, you know what? If you lose a package from UPS, any of those delivery service, you lose a package, if they resend it to you, definitely you want to pick it up at the store. And not at your house, especially if you live in a hood or places where people steal packages. Definitely want to pick it up at the store. That's what I did. I changed the address to the store, went, picked it up, and I was good.
The messed up thing is it was straight from Apple. And it says it got delivered, but you just threw it at my head. But we went everywhere looking for it. It was nowhere to be found. It was never actually delivered.
Somebody
Somebody
claimed my package.
signed for it. I don't even
Horrible.
want to put the name out there, but it had nothing to do with anybody that was in the building.
Yeah.
Like nobody in the building is by that name. So
Someone stole my
somebody
package.
stole it. I don't know if FedEx stole it or they put it somewhere else, but
They
it was
wanted it.
nowhere to be found.
They
Luckily,
definitely wanted it.
Apple got good customer service or whatever, so
Apple
they
got
just
the
send
best
it.
customer
Yeah,
service.
because they didn't even. They were like,
Facts.
okay, whatever. If you find it, then you could keep that one, and we're gonna just resend you another one.
Yep.
But obviously, we never found the original anyway. But yeah, there's that. So we did that. We was running
Got it
around
back.
errands. When we went to IKEA the other day, like, I don't know, it was just whack. Please let us know in the comment section
IKEA
below
is not what
if
it
there's
used to
some
be.
like home places, not home places, but you know what I mean, like places that you can
Home
buy things from
decor.
homes. Home decor.
Home decor, yeah.
decor.
So we can pull up and see
So
some
we could-
stuff.
Yeah,
And we'll
'cause
go ahead and
we
film.
need a film. Yeah, we need to buy a couple of things. There's a couple things on our list that we need to get. IKEA I feel like there was just so much stuff missing. Like,
There was a lot of stuff
yeah, we
missing.
couldn't even really film because there was nothing there.
But definitely stay tuned. We're gonna get to you guys.
Let us know what kind of vlogs you want to watch. We definitely want to do more vlogs. We tend to do a lot of things throughout the day. We tend to, I don't know if it's like a Caribbean thing, but we tend to do things like early. We don't wait late to do them. We always
Early
be
birds.
waking up and we're like, all right,
Definitely
today we're about to
early
do a
birds.
couple of things and get home back. Because you already know in Brooklyn, you can't find parking for nothing. So
Absolutely.
you got to get shit done early.
It's your boy Reg.
And Natalie.
And we are out.